Guys, you know Clifford. We built it here at FASS Motorsports. This is Clifford's Tow Pig. This thing travels all over the country. You've seen it at SEMA, you've seen it at Lifted Truck Nationals. He's gonna be, well, Clifford's not going, but this truck is going to Fitzgerald's, very popular show. They're towing their race truck. We're doing a 50-gallon in-bed tank that will transfer to the factory tank. He wanted to do a bigger tank. We looked at S&B, we looked at Titan. Those options only gave him 20 more gallons. This is 50 gallons. Hit a button on the dash, let you know how much you're pumping in there. This thing will be awesome. So stay tuned for the install. If you guys have any projects like this that you want done, or just looking for the parts, you want to do it yourself, hit us up at fassmotorsports.com or give us a shout at 636-429-7020.